Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Afterpay card in Apple Wallet. Let's begin by making sure you have the Afterpay app installed on your iPhone. First, open the App Store. In the search bar, type Afterpay, then tap the download button to install the app. Once the app is downloaded, open it. Now, sign in with your Afterpay account. If you don't have an account yet, follow the steps to create one. After signing in, complete the setup process by providing any required information. Once your account is ready, look inside the app for your Afterpay card. If you don't see the card right away, you may need to request one. Just follow the instructions inside the app to request your Afterpay card. After your Afterpay card becomes available, you can now add it to your Apple Wallet. To do that, open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. In the top right corner, tap the plus sign to add a new card. Choose the option that says Debit or Credit Card. On the next screen, tap Continue. Now you'll have two options. You can either scan the Afterpay card using your phone's camera or tap the option to enter the card details manually. If you enter the information manually, make sure to type the name on the card number, the expiration date, and the security code exactly as shown in the Afterpay app. After you've entered everything, tap Next. Apple Wallet will now try to verify your Afterpay card. In some cases, you might see a message asking you to go back to the Afterpay app to complete the verification. If that happens, just follow the instructions in the Afterpay app to finish the process. Once your card is verified, it will be added to your Apple Wallet. You can now use your iPhone or Apple Watch to make purchases with your Afterpay card anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. And that's it. You've now learned how to use your Afterpay card in Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching.